Alright everybody, welcome back. This video is going to show you how to access the online server and either take stuff off of that server for you to use, or put stuff on the server for you to use, or even to edit something that's on the server and using the online server. So again, there's a distinction between two areas of the server. We have the full functionality of the server, which is the online server, and you simply go to that by going to your internet and clicking on the Lipsky server. And then there's also the ability, if you're using one or two particular folders on an everyday basis, for instance, if you're the estimator, you want to have access to the estimating folder every single day. If you're the project manager, you want to have access to your project folder every single day. Then Joel or Alex will be able to set you up and put those over here. Okay, but for this video, we're not going to be using this. We're going to be using the online server. So if I go to the online server and again, you click on Lipsky server to get to that. And let's say that there's a template I need to take off. In this case, I need a subcontract rider A that I need to do for a project, and I want to get the template from the templates folder. So for me, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the templates folder. Okay, I'm going to make sure that I click on name so that it goes in order. And look right here, it says subcontract templates. I'm going to click on here. In this case, it's a Lipsky Enterprises contract that I'm going to be entering with the subcontractor and not a Lipsky Building Construction contract. So I'm going to click on the Lipsky Enterprises folder. Okay, I'm going to click on the name so that it's in alphabetical order. And then you see a couple things here. We have the Lipsky Enterprises Davis-Bacon subcontract. We have the Lipsky Enterprises no subcontract, which means that there's no labor restrictions. And then we have a Lipsky Enterprise prevailing wage template. And then we have our applicable riders. We have rider A, which is the scope of work. We have B, which is insurance. We have C, which is the drawing log. D, which will be entered, which is special conditions. And then E is for unit prices. For this particular one that I need rider A. So I'm going to click on rider A, and that's going to bring up the rider A contract for Lipsky Enterprises. Okay, you can see it right here. It automatically goes to it. Now, you're not going to be able to edit anything in this folder because this is a template folder. We don't want the templates being disrupted. So for instance, if I highlight this and I click delete or try and change the text or something, this pop-up is going to come up and says, this document is read only. So you're probably asking, well, how do I get this document off of the online server and onto my desktop so that I can use it? And the answer is right up here. Okay, you have these three dots right here, and if you click on these three dots, there is a download function. If you click on the download function, you can automatically see that it's already downloaded to your computer, the template. From here, you can open this up by clicking on it, enable editing, and now you have full functionality over the rider, and you can change and delete things and add text, all types of things. It's very, very important that you file save as once you're done. Click on browse and find the folder that you want to save it to. Okay, so you can do it to your desktop. Okay, you can even go back. Okay, you can hit cancel. You can save it to the server by clicking right here. Okay, there's a whole bunch of things that we can do with this. All right, so just make sure that you save it. So that's how you get something off. I'm gonna X out of here. I'm actually gonna X out of here as well. How do I get something onto the server? So the way to do that is, first of all, let's go to the server by clicking on Lipsky server. Okay. I'm going to go into Barry's folder by going into here, employee folders, Barry. Okay. I'm going to click on name to get it in alphabetical order. Okay. And let's just say that there's a document that I want to add to this. It's very, very easy to do this. All you have to do is make this window smaller by clicking here. Okay, and then you can grab the corner, hold down the left button and make it a little bit smaller, a little bit bigger. Open up the other document that you want to add to the online server. So the document I want to add is in this folder. I'm going to double click here. I'm going to go to the drawing that I want to add. I'm going to find the drawing, and all I'm going to do, it's very, very simple, is click and hold while I drag it into here. And see how it says drop here? All you need to do now is let go of the mouse, and you can see that the file is now uploaded and saved to the server. Very, very easy. It's a drag and drop function. Okay, so again, if there's something I want to add to the server to make sure it's backed up, make sure that you find the right file folder. So in this case, I want to put it in Barry's personal employee folder. I'm going to find the file I want to take, click, hold, drag it over, and let go of the mouse. And now it drops it in and it's backed up. Very, very easy way to upload things and download things from the server. Okay, so I appreciate your time and we'll get you on the next video tutorial.